Who's a sister and who's a cousin? There's so many people.
How do you keep them all straight? Okay. So many kids in our house, so let's turn the sound up. You know why? I think it's time for a brand new roundup. Cousin Dolores, and hear a pin drop. Camilo shakes chips, Antonio gets his gift today. My older sisters, Isabella and Luisa. One strong, one graceful, perfect in every way. Throw the flower, the town goes wild. She's a perfect golden child. And Lisa's superstar.
Doody-do. What the heck? Pretend it is super... 1 second. Where's the trash bin? Turn-in bin. Whatever the heck you call a laundry basket. Oh. I mean, I guess you would really call a laundry basket a laundry basket. Probably. Here it is. That in the... I said put that... Why can't I... Me crashing out over a laundry basket. Meow. Oh, she peed. Let's just clean it up. Easy. Kinda just gonna sit here. Just gonna sit here for a second. You know, I don't really like this thing in my room. Let's just take these two things off of it and just get rid of it. We could always add another, like, one of these shelves. I think that looks good. And still have this, like, right here. Perfect. And we gotta hang some of my clothes up. Hello? Chocoboca, you're lagging again. Not that big of a lag, though. It's just clothing piece. She has two of the exact... This is, like, one of my favorite outfits, which kind of sucks that it doesn't load, but the rest of them do, which is really good. We're only putting the bestest of outfits on there. Hello? Do I not have a... Absolutely discrimination. Perfect. I did not mean to grab this one. Hello? I meant to grab this one. Okay, we good now. We chill. Just gonna sit around and do absolutely nothing. Where do I put my hamster cage now? Hammy. Hello? Okay, we're just gonna put it on the shelf. Because Hammy is the best. What am I saying, Hammy? His name is Snowflake. Oh, what? His new name is Hammy? I don't like that name. Hamster. I don't like Snowflake either. I like Timmy Bob Jr. the Third. Yeah, we're just gonna go with Hammy. No, I'm running away. Beep, 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 beep. Fine, Timmy Bob Jr. the Third. Oh, Milo's calling me. 1 sec. Hey, girly. Hey. So just wondering if you wanted to maybe go camping. Oh my God, Maya. Yes. Girl, you know my name's not Maya. Yeah, it is. It's Mia. I don't care. Your name's Maya now. My name is Mia. Anywho, do you want to come camping? Yeah. Okay, bring 4 sleeping bags, 7... No, I'm kidding. Just bring more than 1 sleeping bag. Because we don't know what's going to happen. Okay. Just pack your... You know how to pack. I don't need to tell you what to pack. Bye. Let's go. Okay, well, wait! Let me text her. What time are we going? Oh, she texted back. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay. Let me just do my skincare. Because I have so much of it. Just put a bit on my hand. Put that on my face. Okay, let's pack. I haven't even asked my parents. I don't mind. I think we're just gonna bring this bag. Let's see if we have any other bags. Where are they? There we are. Oh, here's my hat. Should I bring my hat? Yes, we're gonna bring my hat. So we're gonna bring this and this really bag. Okay, let's just open this door because I kind of need more space. Do not eat your poop. Scooby snacks. Finally. Okay, in this bag, we're gonna... actually, I know exactly what one of my sleeping bags will be. This cute little guy. I think we'll just carry him. We'll carry him on top of my hat. Or, I'm gonna just put my hat on my head. There we go, that works. Okay. We're gonna grab... Oh, close that, don't mind that. Let's grab, how many days are we staying? 4. It's a 4-night camping trip. I need this outfit. I didn't even change into it. This one's cute. For camping. Next time you change into an outfit. Sorry, my bad, guys. Let's see, what other outfits would be good for camping? This one, maybe. And this one. I think this is all the outfits we need. Oh, we need a pair of pajamas. This one, these two are cute. But this is like the exact one I have on, so we're just gonna... My cat's going crazy. I'm not. Oh my gosh. Put my clothes in there. Let me get a sip of little. Here it is. Bah! Why is it so dark? What happened to all the lights? There we go. It's one. Oh, there we go. Much better. This, and we need to grab a what, grass. Oh, real grass. Here we go. This is cute. No, it's not. We want this. Perfect. Why is it red? It's in a golden bottle. But then this one, let's find the one in the... But this one, they, like, just don't make no sense. Either way, we'll just put that right there. I'll bring it upstairs to wash it later. I'm sure we need my wallet. Let's clean it out, see what's in it. But should we use my black wallet or my purple? I need my hair, not my hair, my silly band. But not my wallet. I'm kidding, it's so fun to play with. Actually, let's get both my credit cards. Because I have my debit and my credit. I know, I'm 7. I'm kidding, I'm 10, guys. Stop coming after me. That in there. Next, we need a water bottle. 2 water bottles. I'm not bringing my Stanley. I'm just going to bring this Yeti. Actually, I'm pretty sure this is going to spill. I got a better idea. Let me just do this. 1 sec. Mom! What? Pretend like, guys, pretend this is like an intercom system. Mom? Yes? Can you take me to the post office? I think they might have a water bottle there. Don't you already have like 3? I need another one. Why? It doesn't matter. Fine. At the post office. Okay, wait, I don't understand why you didn't change out of your boat, but because we're just here to grab a water bottle. Don't forget we have to pay for it. We can't just grab it and leave. Can I please get some chocolate eggs? Fine. Feeling nice. Look at how cute this little robe is with a mask. No. Can you choose 3 things? Okay. And your water bottle includes that. Fine. But if there's no water bottle, then you can choose 2 things. You can choose 2 things and a water bottle. Look, this thermos is so cute. Do you really need that? It just has hot chocolate in it. Yeah, but it's really nice. And it comes with these 2 mugs. Let me test out the hot chocolate. Yeah. Yes, this is my second item. And let's find the water bottle. Look at how cute this little is. I told you, 2 items. But I need the water. You do not need anything. You're lucky I'm letting you get 2 things. Why'd you even take me to the post office? You begged on your bent knees to come here. Okay, maybe I did. Look at this cute. No. Unless you put something back. I'll pay for it when girl, you're not bringing your water. Oh. Poopy. So cute. What the heck is this? A cat? You already have a cat. I know. Excuse you, little miss. You can't just eat all the... Found it. A water bottle. Okay, are you ready to go? Wait, I just want to see what else they have. And then we're going home. Can I please go check some other places? I just want to see. You're already gonna pay for that here. Or at least I am. Okay, well. Okay, can I skip this? I'm going camping. You didn't even consult me. If you this duffel bag? Yes, I need the duffel bag. In a suitcase? Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. Change it. You can get 1, 2, 3. 3 things. Can I please do this human? Because it's a human. That's it. No more. Let's go. Ready to check out? Yes. Oh wait, I was like, move that. Excuse me. Ready to check out? Yes we are. So we just have this cat, okay, beep. This bear, beep. Water bottle, beep. I'm gonna have to weigh the water bottle though. Okay, beep. This humidifier, beep. And this bag, beep. Would you like a box? Yes, I would. There you go. I might not like it. Does that sometimes. But we do. Your total is $14 million. $14 million? Guys, I need to find some money to use. RIP headphone users. Is that the sound on? Hello? Okay, here we go. I need the cash for this. I wonder if they have the red envelope. I'm just playing with you. It's just $20, okay? Fine, you can make a 10 because I love you. Okay, fine. I have a boyfriend. A boyfriend or a husband? Both. Let's go, sweetie. Okay, here's sauce. Thank you, Mom. I can't believe my mom was so nice and let me get all of this stuff. So, yeah, I'm glad they hadn't closed when I went there because they probably wouldn't have had that tomorrow. But, let's continue packing. First, we gotta go put my cat where they belong. Yep, go. It's okay, Hammy. I still love it. Or Hamco. I haven't decided on a name yet. A second water bottle. No, not in my wallet. My little bear. And then this duffel bag. We're actually going to change all of this stuff from a Rolly suitcase to a duffel bag because he's putting all of this in a Rolly suitcase to go camping. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. And let me just go through this way. Take my hat off. Let's bring my glasses and my phone. I need another sip of a drink. This actually I can just drink this. Where is my notebook? Now I know what my hair brush. Found it. Where are my skincare? Oh wait, it's in my face. Okay, I think we have everything we need. Just bring some sunglasses as well. And don't need any stuffed animals. I think that's all we need to go camping. Oh. They have like this huge SUV, so it's gonna be super fun. I don't really need a hat, do I? Nah. But I think that's all I need. Maybe I should do some skincare, but I think I'll be okay. Do I need anything else? Oh, yeah, I have an idea. Okay, we just gotta... Okay, wait, let's just set these two things down. Let's place an order on my laptop. I need my phone, though, to use Apple Pay. I'll just pay later. Let's just hit pay later. Or take off of cart. Perfect. Now it should be here in about 20 minutes. Should be here about 20 minutes. So, yeah. Since we're leaving tomorrow at like 5 a.m. Finally, that took forever. Ding dong. Actually, we're just gonna put this by their door. I've already put. Yeah, we just need to make sure that they'll pay. They already paid through their card. What am I doing? I can just leave it at the door if I want to. Fine, I'll just wait. If they don't come in the next 10 seconds, then I'm leaving it by the door. 10. Oh, hi. Sorry. Thank you. Have a good day. Didn't even offer me any snacks. How rude. I'm not gonna offer him snacks. Who does he think he is? Who does he think we are? Millionaires? I mean, we kind of are. Okay, well, let's see what I ordered. An umbrella, obviously. My lunchbox, a box for my lunch. Flashlight, which I think is really cool. It's kind of just... What is... This is like a this is just like a light. So I think it's cool. This, not kind of like a cool, has this little mat on it. I don't know if that'll fit in there. Okay, well. And then we have this little lantern. So these two, you can put right there, as well as my binoculars and my flashlight. I don't even know if my binoculars and flashlight will fit in there. I think we're going to put my binoculars and my flashlight in this bin. Perfect. Okay. So let me just go pack a lunch or like a snack or something. Because I don't know if we're going to go see hot dogs or something. I just realized I'm on the wrong floor. Okay, we finally made it. I hope we have stuff in the fridge because we kind of just moved in. I guess, I'll just DoorDash something and put it in here. Like, let's just DoorDash so much. Beep, boop, beep, bob, beep, little DoorDash. Pretend this is like a little, there's like a little camera TV thing. Beep, DoorDash. I'm gonna do a sandwich. Okay, I think that's all we need. Let's just wait for it to arrive. Okay. Got my sandwiches. Finally. Don't mind the background noise, guys. Okay, we got this. We're just gonna put it in. There we go. And there. And then we need a little bit more stuff. I think we're good. Yeah, I think that's all we need. They said we're gonna have like marshmallows and stuff. Let me get a little bit of that box. I guess this will work. We just don't want to, like, I just want to have 2 hands. One extra hand. This is, like, my favorite bag that we really want to put stuff in. What if we just...
Probably. You might be sleepy.
Steve?
Banana in there?
No, I let Steve out.
I sent you a message. Did you see my message?
I saw it. I just haven't, like, I saw it pop up.
So there's a sale right now on Management Tycoon games, and there's a couple in there that look really interesting. So watch
Like,
that video.
and there's, like, on your computer?
Mhm.
Okay.
If you see one on there, that it looks good, let me know and I'll buy it. There was a water park simulator.
Yes!
A business
Yes!
simulator, like where it was basically like where you play in a whole city, you run businesses and stuff. It looked kind of fun.
Of course.
You actually like build them, like you decorate and assemble a business and hire people, and then you go basically run off and go start another one somewhere.
Yes.
So anyway, watch it, and if there's 1 or 2 on there that you think that you would actually play, like, let me know. I'd probably play it too.
Okay. Okay, I think we're all ready to go camping. Wait, I'm not wearing this to go camping. I think I really want to wear what I have in the wash. Let's just go wash it. Or let me make sure I don't want to wear anything else. This, no. I'll wear pink. Actually, this is kind of cute.
I think the sale ends in a few days,
I'll wash it today.
or the end of the month.
And let me wash this because I'm bringing this. I kind of forgot what level the washing machine was on. I think it was level 1. I haven't explored this house yet. Yeah, I know I built it. Hey, Toast, leave it. Talking to my dog. Okay. Wow, it is really dark, but since we're leaving, like, at, like, 2 a.m., we have to... Why are we leaving at 2 a.m.? I don't know why. But we are, so... excuse me. There we go. We need some soft dough. And Cleano sensitive. And hopefully they know that I'm gluten-free. I think they do. I've been friends with Mia for like 4 years, so. And yes, those sandwiches I ordered were gluten-free. I'm not an idiot. Keys. I can't even drive. I mean, these are our house keys, so. You serious? There's no more space. Take this one out so I can see. Okay, I'm ready to go. Let's go. It's 2 a.m. finally. Okay guys, so a bit of a problem. I filmed this video. I was like, the dad, this dude, John, was cooking, and then Mia was just like, and then they're in the middle of, and then it deleted. So, yeah, let's just have the meat. Nom 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 nom. So, did you like your food? Yeah, I can't believe it was gluten-free. Here, I'll take your stuff. Okay, let's wash these dishes. Okay, now let's just put these dishes back. Okay, y'all can go, like, do something, because it's getting late. Gluten-free sandwiches. So y'all can just kind of go play around or something. Hey, do you want to go through my bag? Yeah, let's see. I got an umbrella. I got my water bottle. My little humidifier. It's battery powered. I'm gonna put this right there. Boom, boom. Oh, this is really bright, so. And then you can use that one of my stuffy. And I found my glasses, so. Okay, girls, start getting ready for bed, okay? Okay. What are you wearing to bed? I don't know. Oh, do you still have those matching pajamas? Yeah, it's really... That's a really cute sleeping bag. Yeah, you want me to get you one? Sure. I got so many of these. And then also these little pads. Which one do you want? I'll take the green one. No, wait. I'll get her. I'm gonna go ask my dad to get our bed set up. Dad, can you get our bed sets up? Sure. One second. Okay, let's set these beds up. I'm gonna put this. Hey girls, is it okay if I put all of your stuff, like, come here, can you guys get your stuff, like, together, the stuff that you don't want? Yep, you girls have fun, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go make dinner. Okay, we have a very good dinner. For me and Emily. I mean, not Emily, me and Maya. Get 2 bowls. Wait, we need a 3rd bowl. Perfect. And let's grab a counter. So don't mind the fact that I'm kind of just pulling this out of thin air. You never saw that. Okay. Potatoes, carrots. Guys, don't wait. I'm gonna go ask her if she can have potatoes. Hey, can you have potatoes, Mia? Emily? No. Okay. I'll just eat them. Guys, why can't I put... I'm sorry? Hello? Okay, got this one, and then put these 2 up here. Boom. And then I like my hot dog extra well done. Okay, let's go ahead and make Emily's food. I'm kind of mad that she's gluten-free because it's kind of annoying, but it's okay. Because for me and Emily's side, we're having rice. So let's let that cook. And then for Emily's side, she's having a salad. Don't mind how she kind of put it on the ground. Girls! Dinner! Coming. Talking to myself, Dad. There you go. Emily, here's your gluten-free salad. Gluten-free tater tots. Okay, let's go eat dinner. Come on, guys. Y'all can just go eat dinner in your tents if you want. I set the beds up so you can just vibe. Oh wait, yeah, we can just vibe here because since we Thank you so much, Mr. Jonathan. You're welcome, honey. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, it's getting really late, so I think you should go to bed. Okay. Good night, Dad. Good night, girls. Okay, well, I guess let's just get in our sleeping bags. I'm super tired, so... The next day. Guys, this is the end of the roleplay. I don't really know what else to do. Love y'all. Subscribe. Always make sure to love yourself. Love yourself. Love everyone. POV me trying to be an affirmation. Just love yourself and subscribe. Bye.